I talked about that appointment check measure. So check measure is when all of this paperwork's been done. So we've got finished plans, we know exactly what we're doing. We come to your place, it usually takes about a couple of hours, a check measure appointment. We go through all of this with a designer. Vendor designer leaves us, it's all done and documented. Then we go through some house rules, and dust control is one of them. Our project manager is at that check measure appointment. Very important, he has a walk around. He checks your mains tap to make sure the mains can turn off, etc. And then he also looks at dust control. So there's a couple of different items that we can use. This carpet we have here, there's a special cover that we can put on the carpet. If it's a polished floor, like my lovely boardroom table, there's another type of product. We also have a plastic section with a zipper. So if it's a hallway, we try to do that with a zipper so clients still have access. We have the old faithful tarps, but we have different types of tarps. There's lightweight tarps, heavyweight tarps, and super lightweight tarps. We also talk to the clients about moving items, taking that piece of work of art off the table, please. Don't tell me it's worth a fortune after I've done your reno. So we check all that sort of, those details. We make the client aware that it's not going to be dustless. Right? We're going to reduce your dust significantly. Example, that zipper. After we've gone, you may use that zipper and guess what? As you're zipping it, there's particles of dust. The debris comes the wrong way and there you have it. So we don't put clients on a high expectation, but we certainly go to a lot of effort of significantly reducing dust.